Let's play and learn first words with my good friend, Bingo! Hi, Bingo! Everybody say, hi, Bingo! Hi, Bingo! Bingo wants to go for a ride today. Let's go in the helicopter. Say in. In. Bingo is in the helicopter. The little helicopter goes round and round all through the town. The helicopter goes up. Say up and down. Up and down. Up and down. The little helicopter goes round and round. Round and round. Round and round. And side to side. Side to side. Near and far. Near and far. Up and down. Up and down. Say up and Bingo will fly up. Up. Good job. And down. I'm so proud of you. What's inside my birdhouses? Let's go. We have number 1 is purple. Say open. Open. Who's inside? Oh, look! It's Bingo. Bingo, what are you doing in a birdhouse? Hi, Bingo. Let's put Bingo back in the birdhouse, the purple house. Say in. In. Good. Next we have number 2. It's orange. Open. Look! It's an orange bird. Hi, orange bird. Everybody say hello. The bird is orange. And we put the orange bird back in the orange birdhouse. Next up is blue, number 3. Open. What color is our bird? Take him out. Look, it's a blue bird. Hi, blue bird. The bird is blue. Let's put him in the blue birdhouse. Number 4 is red. Open. Look, what color is our bird? That's right, a red bird. The bird is red. Put the red bird in the red birdhouse. And last we have green, number 5. Open. Look! Oh, dump him out. It's our green bird. The bird is green. Green bird goes in the greenhouse. We did it! Purple, orange, blue, red, green. Great job! All of our birds are in their houses, but uh-oh! Look, it's a mad bird. That bird looks mad. That bird is mad because Bingo is in his house. He's mad. He's angry. Bingo, you're in the bird's birdhouse. Uh-oh, Bingo. Oh, Bingo. Bingo says, sorry. Sorry. It's okay, Bingo. Bye-bye. Our purple bird is mad. This is what mad looks like. Oh, this little girl has her arms crossed and she's making an angry face. Sometimes we're mad. The orange bird looks happy. Happy. What does happy look like? This little girl is happy. She's smiling and playing with finger paint. She's so happy. Thanks, happy bird. Let's see about this bird. Bluebird, oh, is sad. Bluebird is sad and crying. This baby is sad. He's crying. Oh, but look, his mommy makes him feel better with a hug and a kiss. Thanks, Mommy. It's okay to cry. Sometimes we're sad, and that's okay. What's this bird? Oh, this bird is confused. Oh, dizzy, dizzy, confused bird. Sometimes we don't know what's going on. We're confused. Say, I don't know. I'm confused. It happens. That's okay. And our last bird is sleepy. A sleepy bird. Do you like to sleep and take a nap like this little girl? Yeah, sometimes we're sleepy. It's okay to feel lots of different things. Feelings come and feelings go. Mad, happy, sad, confused, and sleepy. Great job! Let's put our birds in their birdhouses and let's practice numbers. This birdhouse has a 1 on it. So turn our bird around. Our bird has 1 tail feather. 1. The next one has a 2. How many tail feathers are on this bird? 1, 2. Yeah, good job. The next house has a 3. How many tail feathers? 1, 2, 3. You got it. Our next one is the number 4. How many does she have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tail feathers. Good job. Our last one is 5. How many tail feathers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm so proud of you. We can count to 5. Let's close our birdhouses. Close, close, close. Let's stack our birdhouses. 1, 2. Let's stack again. 1, 2. Let's add another. Wow, that's really tall. 1, 2, 3. And this one has 1, 2. Which one is bigger? Yes, this one. It has 3 birdhouses. This one has 2. It's smaller. Let's put them together side by side. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. Big, small. Big, small. Search for Baby Bandstand and Miss Alyssa for more learning videos just like this one. Great job, my friends!